Come me say dirty bongo say them a dirty. Dirty bongo say them a. Come me say all who no beat from morning run go walla. Go walla, go walla. All who no beat from morning run go walla. Fresh, go walla fresh, go walla fresh. You wake up now the morning and you do walla fresh. Evening come, who know the red dragon down there? Major mackerel. Speak with my family. I did promise you know. And the time when you see me promise you know, I don't know get what I've been promised to, you know, it's not my fault or YouTube fault. Because sometimes the video posts and then restrict the video and me have to review the video. And sometimes if you don't notice, when you get the video late. Because based on what I tell you know, and that you know hear. So sometimes when I get the video all 2 days, depends on how long them hold on upon it. After you should I get it. But you don't know what they do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend and hit the thumbs up as you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channels. Which you know my backup channel is Life is a Mission TV. Just go over there and give it a subscription. If you're over here and you have not yet subscribed, which there's a lot of you over here who have not yet subscribed to Life is a Mission TV. And when I say a lot of you, I mean a lot of you. And I'm not talking like who just come on board. Me I talk all people who are on board long time. To them out for turn captain for the ship. For sure no long on they on board, you know. That you know out for get promotion for captain for the ship. And you know subscribe over Life is a Mission TV and it not look good. You know make the newcomer them a subscribe over Uno. You understand? Because when we come out for the past week and asking for the subscription, I can see the subscription moving. And I figure more or less it's the newer people who never know about the channel, you understand, who get to know about the channel or subscribe over there. So you need as a senior personnel to go over there, go subscribe. Life is a Mission TV. From you see over there, from you go so boom boom and you type it in, make sure you add the TV. Because you're right, Life is a Mission, a whole heap of Life is a Mission gonna come up. So add the TV and from you see the screen pop up, you will see a hook and you go see me. Cook vlog, indoor, outdoor, drama, you understand, you name it, commentary, newscasts, and the main feature to come, still working on it, you understand, we're working, not like Porsche, but we're working on it, the adventure, alright? My people, in the morning video that you have got, you hear my promise to give you a video with Sophie. We know these people are not people who are not funda. Me not funda them neither. Not say me funda anybody else, you know, the Marcia, the Tina, the whole of them, but you know, some are not interested in listening Marcia. Sometimes some wonder who want to listen or who want to hear. You understand? But you know, it's for me to decide. And then uno as a supporter decide if uno want to watch. And if me say uno a supporter and uno don't find funding listening to this video, uno just bam, support the channel, make the video go and play. And you're going about your busy, you're going to do your work, tidy up your place, cook your food, go and shopping. Guess what? YouTube now have no telescope I watch if you watch a video. Them just want to know say the video I watch. Simple as that. And you give the opportunity for the ads to play. Don't just jump on the video and hit the like and feel like that is enough. It is not enough. That not do nothing for the channel. Because you just jump on the video, boom, hit the like. All the like them gonna take away. Because YouTube can't tell how much minute you watch the video for. Not saying them can't tell if you sit down and watch it, you know, but them can't know how much minute the video watch for. From your IP. You understand? Simple. Or your email. Alright. So, you just hit the video, put on the phone, go do what you do if you don't like what you hear or what the person me I talk about. But anyway, these two is kind of prominent, especially Sophie from what day. She's a bit prominent in the social media space. Because you know she love come out and she go at everybody. Searching like Google as you know. And They're just so confused. You know? Confused. I don't know if it's a mind them don't have of them own, or they just want to be on top so badly that they are doing and trying to do anything. So them go at everybody to see who them can connect to get that hit there from. Sophia, just last week, just as me telling in the morning video, she comes out and she got hard against T-Gal. Or T-Gal not share nobody. But it still comes Saturday. A few days later, she come out in defense. Not really in defense, but in promoting T-Gal. Where she a bash T-Gal for say T-Gal nah do and she a do it for her and other people a do it for her and she nah do it. Ooh, support Tina cake. The best tasting cake. I have a yeast in here, I have a mango here, and I have a pine here. And the two of them is Tina cake is just as sweet as this pine and this mango. Support Tina. And a few hours later, what you're going to hear is what happened. What me say? A few hours. This is not a few days now. A few hours later. When me I go play now, how will you hear? So you tell me if them on a one big bag of confused bunch of rubbish. Tell me, if these big, she said she are 52, really know what she want out of life at this age, or decide where she want to really go or find herself at 52. Remember, you know, she come out, she lash out against Tina not sharing people, and she burn out and, ooh, look on Planka Boss, look on Chris, look on Miss Luther, look on them, how them share people, and them organize with them one another, and help people, and Ray. And then, she come out and big up the cake, and right after, this is what she do. Anyway, I could start it right here, so too much talking for me.
From morning, run go fresh. All who no beat from morning, go fresh. You get up in the morning and you do walla fresh. The first thing you do is jump in your car, go buy coffee. You is a dirty wretch, go walla fresh. Tina, go walla fresh, go wash your face. You know what? Some people, you know, the first thing they get up in the morning, you know, they no brush teeth, wash face, and they pan phone. Them is a dirty wretch. Very dirty person. Anybody you see get up a morning time, the first thing on their phone, and no beard, and no brush their teeth or nothing, them dirty. Them filthy.
You look like she no brush teeth for 2 morning time, you know, because one morning me here she get hair. Look how I'm looking. I'm looking smooth. I'm looking cute. And you know all I do is just wash my face with some water. That simply means she no wash her face with no soap. And she no brush her teeth because she said all she do is just wash her face with some water. And she head off to the coffee shop. Sunday, big Sunday morning that me a talk about. Yesterday Sunday morning. You understand? And me I say, come on. You wake up. You couldn't just bypass Starbucks this morning. What's so about Starbucks? And prepare some regular homemade tea, whether bush tea bag, coffee, chocolate, Milo, and just prepare some tea. It's Sunday morning. You have to jump in your car. Boy, you know, you know, live some rotted life America, yeah.
Then get up every morning with matter in them eyes. Oh my God, and on the phone. You're too dirty, you're too filthy. Oh my God. Oh, walla fresh. You're too dirty. Dirty Tina, go walla fresh. The first thing in the morning, you get up.
Watch bossy girl a steam.
There's nothing about
steam. Bossy girl a steam, you know.
Fresh man, not too
If
filthy.
bossiness was a
Good
person.
morning, guys. Good morning to my lovely supporters. Guys, it's so nice to be here, getting my steaming. And everything is well. Everything is good. Steaming. Everything is good.
Remember, that's how Sophie keep her beauty. And when she doing her fitness, that's how she keep her body. Yo, so you can't keep no man, Sophie. You keep your fitness, you keep your beauty, but you can't keep no man, Sophie. Something wrong. The whole of the way sound a hot girl on the body good on the tight and this and that. Me notice you can't keep no man. From Marcia to Tina to you, the whole of you can't keep no man. Or you can't have no man. You supposed to have man a love it up you know. Man we proud of you know. How is the rasta? The way you go on like you clean and you nice. And you good and body good and down you tight. You supposed to have man just all over you. You never see when bees are make honey yet. And they all over the honey cup. Yeah man. That's how you have man all over you. You don't have to hide man off camera when I see no man at all. So, me don't understand. I want to praise for yourself and your hygiene and your body and your good what you want to have. And trust me, I don't see no man up front with you know. Because if you take up man enough the camera person, you want to use in a social media influencer, what you say. You is and personality. You man supposed to understand say him have to come up front. But come like I be a touch and Lego man you fine. I be a people man you fine. Cause right now, if me find one nice woman, we good like Uno, and nice like Uno, and Mr. Camera Car, despite me, is not that person the way everything me put in a social media like Uno. If I ever 1 and 2 times, I'm not gonna see her in a phone. Yes man. If I and she good up, you must say mad and she beautiful, looking good, me not nothing to hide. And no people woman. No, so me have to show her if I ever 1 and 2 times. She not go up in a phone like that. But you know if I ever 1 and 2 times, you can't show nobody. Be a touch and Lego man you get. And people man. Anyway people, we are getting to the main part of the video you know, so listen up and listen keenly. Because she start off lie down in her bed and like she lie down on her lungs. So basically she now get to can't project the words them and you don't know she done slow already. So listen keenly. Good thing the breeze not start blow yet. Just the vehicle them will pass.
It's all you want. Look after yourself. If you don't look after yourself, who's going to look after you? Who's going to look after you if you don't look after yourself? You've got to look after yourself. Don't let nobody come and steal your joy. You have a lot of bad mind people out there. Like
I remember a T-Dog she depend.
Them out there to come destroy your life. But for their life sad.
I know me can't believe
Their
this.
life sad. You understand? Their life is very sad. And the minute you talk.
Down to 99, Chris and Lorraine, where we are expect her to go at. She are used as example for show up Tina. I can't understand them people here. That's why I'm afraid of human being and I will never ever stop talk that. I want some robot for my friend.
They hate you. They don't support you, but you're always supporting them. If you're supporting somebody and they're not supporting you, stop. If you realize that you are supporting me, for instance, if every time you come on my platform, you give me a like, you give me a thumbs up, you say hello, and I'm not saying back, stop.
She don't recognize you.
Sometimes you go on their platform, you say hello, they will just blind eye and pass you like you're nothing. Nobody is above nobody.
Probably that's what you see as. So what? What the problem? Now that you see as? The force you force up in our people.
Some of them want to be in the spotlight and the spotlightless. Nothing about them. And tell light on people. All she do is tell lie on people. You understand? And then cry victim. Cry victim. You understand? This useless nobody. You useless, you see?
Sophia, is this the same Tina? Is this the same Tina that you were in defense of? Eh? I can't believe this is the same Tina that you were in defense of. A 1 post or 2 posts or just because she not posting none at all. Make you just a go at her so. Is this Tina me see you and her must in the same space in America? I reel up and I go on and I wind up and I say, yeah. But I know nothing strange. Now see him say, Lorraine, it come at your house and look pan good, me say look pan good and talk how you can cook and you rice shelly. I don't need on the house. And who they behind the camera, they behind the door, I tell Lorraine if you say, oh my mother picture they all about in a store at England for shoplifting. Are the same thing, but as me say, it's not strange. I wonder how she know something wrong with, or the whole know something wrong with. Me don't know.
What am I bake? Where am I bake? Guys, if you is a baker, if you is a business person, I want you to help me out. You is a business person, yeah? Every day you sit in your car, depend people business. What kind of business person are you? What kind of business person are you?
I don't just know that Sophie, as far as you know Tina that you know, you're there swing with her, so why it be a problem now? You can't tame, that is the problem. The whole are not the same thing, you cannot tame.
Get an example of Chris. Chris up on the phone 24/7, but he in a bakery.
Now you may say you're going to stop calling him all kind of nickname, baker boy and this and that. So how you going back there, so you see why I'm telling you, so you cannot be trusted. So we just listen to you, make a mockery of you, laugh off of you, and it even sweet me more when you go out to no one another. Yes, man. It sweet me far more when you go out to no one another. Trust me.
We see where I do, but we don't see what you are doing. What are you doing? They say if you take a copy out of Planka Bass, that's what I am saying. Guys, if somebody is very successful in life and you want to copy them, you see what they do and you put it in practice. That is not bad mind. You want to be like them. So you see them doing a business and you say, you know what, I would like my business to be successful like that. So you see how they do things, you do it that way. You understand? You learn from the best. You can't sit down and say, boy, you do.
And who is the best, Sophie? YMK is the best? DMG is the best? Shout that loud again. You learn from the best. That's not bad, man. That's not grudgeful. I know bad man and grudgeful, you know, a pride. In a life, you know, sometimes we fail to accept certain things we are not good at. In a life, sometimes we fail to tell ourselves, say, boy, yeah, that person there better than me at the craft. So here what happen? Despite my years of doing this is more than that person. That person learned the craft better than me and know it more than me. But because of your time when you're in the craft or do the craft and that person just come, you make your pride to get the better of you. So you're afraid to go stand up around that person that will come 2 years ago after you're in it 5-6 years ago. Where I do better than you. If you learn a thing or two from them or ask a thing or two from them, you make your pride get the better of you. Sometimes if you just put your pride aside, it will happen. So basically, when you say your son how, you will never ever see T-girl do that. Mad? Reach out to Baker Boy. Reach out to Broadback down a town. You must say mad. She prefer sit down on her live and call Baker Boy all kind of nickname. Sit down on her live and call Broadback all kind of nickname. She will never ever take up the phone and say YMK or send the message, although I don't think she will be accepted because I think she has been blocked from everywhere and premix come and cast her. You know, Matalan get premix because you know say a pre-cast house them man they deal with. So you don't know say no black no they just have a lick down and a pocket hole no they just have a miss where you know full out. You understand? So you might find a black one no solid. Pre-cast! Fully cast. So I think no contact there, they should have to use somebody to contact YMK, not to mention DMG. And that will never happen. You know want me say it again? That will. Here what? Me I go make Copycat say it for you. I go and make Copycat say it for you. Since me now say it good, that will never happen. I go and make Copycat say it for you.
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that.
Back to where we left off. That will never happen.
You do things and you know learn. You have to go to the best and go get help as well. She says she thought herself to be, but at the same time you need help. You need to go to a professional baker and get more inspired by them. For you.
Come and say, if you want to know if you bake, you have to check Miss Dana. Check Miss Dana, you have to check Miss Dana. And you want to know if you bake, you have to check Miss Lawton. You have to check Miss Lawton, you have to check Miss Lawton. And you want to know if you bake, you have to check over Chris. And check over Chris, you have to check over Chris. But them a girl tell themselves say them a big baker. And when you check it out, them product now sell further than right at them foot here. And them come tell lie about them a send out bulk over China. Cause check Miss Dana, you have to check Miss Dana. Check Miss Lawton, you have to check Miss Lawton. Call over England and check Mr. Chris. Learn to bake, girl, you have to learn to bake. So if you tell you say you better call one of them for learn to bake.
How you do this, how you do that. You understand? Knowledge is power. You can self-taught yourself, but at the same time you don't know much. But sometimes the self-taught you do something.
Your face say you're out of order. You're rank with Tina now. You can't talk about the big baker no know much. Move! You're too rank.
Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with self-thought. Nothing wrong with that. But if you self-taught yourself to bake and decorate, you still need help. Because there are certain things you cannot mix. And how to combine this to get this color. And how to get these pebbles, these flowers and all.
Come on, Sophie. A Tina this here talk about, you know. We come criticize 99, say she a mix all kind of things and she not a chemist, you know. So what you want to say? She not a chemist? She a do just the same thing, self-taught, like what Dana do self-taught and that criticize Dana. And come out how much she should get herself in a problem and hold up a lawsuit because all these cake that she's selling all over the world. Jamaica is not like America is not like Jamaica, you know. People will file lawsuit against you when you make them belly this and them belly that. But all them type of mixture there. Rum cream with cheese and this with that and all kind of sitting. Because she use cheese and rum cream do everything. She not trying nothing different. She a make toto, she make rum cream cheese toto. If she a make boto, she make rum cream cheese boto. If she a make bread rum cream, she can't find no other ingredients to put together. And as she come out, did I criticize Dana when Dana try 4, 5, 6 different cake. And see the whole of them a sell there. Every season the whole of them sell. Some season the one you know sell hot this year, sell hot the next year. But every one of them sell and every one of them have them time. Because so she go along and so she try to improve them. You understand? And some here, the improvement work out good on one. She not stay one way. She try to improve her product every year.
And all of these things. Nothing wrong with it. You're too ready, I. They tell us if you go sell clothes, go sell wig, go sell shoes, go sell slippers, go sell like that.
But she not have tried all of that. Remember she tried Tina's closet, Tina's traveling vlog. Right now that died down. That come so hot in the past month. And all of a sudden it died down. But this is what I try to show you. They don't have any managerial skill because I'm business head because you don't know. You don't have no financial backative. You don't have any financial resources. Why would you want to try to go into something that is going to take a lot of finance? Spell it and tell me. Why would you want to go into something where it's going to take a lot of cash? Because travel vlog is going to take cash. What? All because YMK come up with the idea of doing travel vlogs. She rushed into it and want to do it also because she's just a wannabe. She pretend not to be a wannabe, but Tina is a wannabe. You understand? Just like recently, she wanted to start do the things that Dana says she used to over Wally British at the way. She send in her food pan Wally British program. And then I hear, even after I do the video about highlighting that, I hear that she supposed to see Alicia even do it recently before she come out with the idea. So when you check the levels, Tina is just a wannabe. But she tried to hide her pride behind her and put our wannabe self in front to make it look like, okay, I am the person who invent this. I am the person who, I never see you do it. I close my eye, I never see me the blind do it. I never see when British do it, Wally British do it. I never see when Leisha do it in our day. I just, my idea, or it just come to my head and me I do it. I blind to it. I never, because our pride get the better. You understand? The pride get the better, but the wannabe always ever come out at you know.
That me tell you, you cannot bake and still go sell clothes and things like that. You come talk about me, I talk about
Everything should try to feel.
and dimes and what. You're too bad mind.
Amazon,
You're gonna talk about
rum punch, be a talk to talk.
Go over 20, they stuck under 9,000. What's wrong with you and followers? Eh? You did there watch people page when your one a spoil. You watch out people page when time your one stand still. Your life is stand still. You understand?
Can't get 10 likes on none of her product when she posts it.
Why are you like that? What if
Not
people
even
under
20 likes
10,000
on none of your product when you post it.
Why is it be a
And you have so
problem
much
to you?
followers.
My one almost 10,000 and you report it.
What you say? Should you come out against her as she report your page? How will the start of this? Me never know how she do it. How are them people are reporting page? How are them people are taking down people page? You know, say, as me saying in a previous video, I just feel like I couldn't take social media too personal. And because I don't take social media so personal, I agree someone to go at some of the people them on a level where it's real disrespectful. You understand? Yeah, as me say, someone to go at the people them real disrespectful, degrading and everything. You understand? And at the same time, when bright enough to catch up the people them live, pan all the tree there so, I want to go about in ways on the people them live I play entertain and followers. So basically I want to give the people them the opportunity to take the advantage to strike on. You understand? Because on don't and I say on play to the rules and the guideline. We want to come on and talk in the video and want to just catch up the people them live. It come like a stream, we not stream but the people them live. It's just that them not live at the time when you not do it, you not play it from the video. What would I call the dead? You understand? But you can't have the people them live as a place so. I entertain phone the people them. Straight a galang so I wanna go down the kitchen, go and do one I don't go out our door, go and wash on the car, wanna go and look after on the people, wanna go and clean in the house, wanna go and wash on the clothes. And have the people them who are cuss out, a degrade, a downgrade, a do all kind of grade, high grade, low grade. I entertain your people them to make money. You understand? So the people them must do them, but this striking thing and this taking down a people page and channel with a Facebook or whatsoever, I would never ever think about doing that. Because it's true this amount of giant church. Any boy or girl come out here for me ready for them. And yes, so we are fighting. Right, yes, so we are fighting. Because anything you do, you can do it better and worse. Not worse, you know, worse. Yes, man. And if I come out here on a page, when I monetize, come down, no. Just make one when I monetize. And come talk up the things them and fix them properly. Like when you go to a clinic, go fix bandage on foot. You understand? Yes, man. And deal with it. But if you talk about me, I go strike and me, I go this, that. No, sir. No, sir. Anything you do, me can do it better.
You're too bad mind. You're too envy. You're too jealous. You're too conniving. You need to stop it. You need to stop it. What time you have for your hand? You're on social media every day and say you're a businesswoman.
True.
We're not seeing your business.
True.
We're not seeing what you do.
True.
At 6 o'clock, come you slung in a car.
True.
What you do in a car? You can't make a coffee in your yard.
True.
You don't have stove.
True.
You can't buy coffee maker.
True.
Coffee and make yourself a nice coffee at home and sit on
True.
the table and talk. As early
If someone throw me gear for this, that, and say me is retiring of people. And remember, I don't know me. I don't know my style. If two of them have got them one and one say something about the other way, a reality, I will give them the thumbs up feed. I give them the thumbs up feed. And as we shall say, so, big Sunday man, come on. You have to go all the way to Starbucks. Or when a Starbucks coffee so you can't miss it one day. Come on. Big Sunday man, get up and look out for a cup of tea in your yard, man. And get ready to prepare your breakfast or prepare your dinner if it's not somebody look out for breakfast. You know, have to take jump in your car with your sour face, your rotten teeth. You know, and run down a Starbucks. Come on, you don't have to do that. You can't just do that to yourself for your yard. So I agree with that. One more. True.
Early as the morning is, like water wet up the bed. You have to come out of the bed. As early as 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the power road, go to a coffee shop.
People business are rider, she can't comfortable in her bed.
You can't get up and make a nice breakfast at morning time and sit down like everybody in your house and chit chat. Eh? You can't do that. No, you can't do that. Every morning you go and buy coffee.
Every morning. Yeah, Sophie a big likes and advertise cash up.
You wanna come party with me?
Sophie come out and come say I be a beg on a beg on social media. And see it, me not beg. Me not beg. Yo, never know what the future holds. Such is life.
Guys, we have to be there for each other. You understand? We have to support each other. Not to let down each other. They say woman empowerment. You understand? But this so-called is no woman empowerment. There is nothing about them. Nothing at all. Nothing about them. All she don't care for herself. Nothing more. It's all about she. It's all about me, and then play victim. Guys, some people play victim all the time. A lot of time people play.
This is not something for you to complain about. This is something where you come in on social media, come sit with that special individual. And if you never see or hear people talk, so not come with that party now.
You understand? And then make a other channel. Make a other page and go underneath and change up our voice. And then discredit people. That's what she do. Discredit people. You understand? Like she has somebody.
Hey, I book one video while me see this. Where's the donkey up on her page where she a play back T-Girl. But T-Girl voice change, you know? One video where she do. Which I have heard she use a same wait name there for change her voice. And I come out here. And the more she talk, despite she use the voice changer, the more she talk, it's like a teen and natural voice me a hear. Even when me a listen to that one where she did a play, she donkey did a play, and I say, listen to her. I know exactly how Tina talk. Listen to her. All she change. Achoo. The same thing where she a listen to, and how she a think. And the voice changer where she use, but the same thing where she a listen to. When me a listen it, at the same way me did a think and time me hear it for the first time when she use the voice changer. And me I say, just as she a put the word together under the voice, the person, I put the person then, I can put it that way. I put the words together under the voice changer. The same how the person I deliver, the same how the person attack under the voice changer. It's just that the voice changer does disturb the voice, so you don't hear the natural voice. But every goddamn thing is the same. Nobody can tell me son or Tina. But one day you're going to slip. Not Brazil, you know. You're going to slip. You're going one day for a cricket you play. And the ball go down the slip.
Yes, somebody. You understand? You come talk about
You going to expose your own self one day in doing that.
You ever go on your platform and say go over to Marcia and buy Marcia sheet. No. You ever put anybody
I never
on
see
your,
that
on your
for you.
platform and I like them? No.
Away from during the time when she had met the cake and the whole cake scenario for Marcia Gala, that's the only time. And she do it because you don't know Marcia purchase a cake from her. So at the same time, guys, go over and support Marcia sheet business. She have a sheet business that she operates. She sell nice sheet. And after the cake and gala done, you never hear that yet. But I have heard Marcia advertise, share her, big her up many times after that. Many times, even now.
What people do it for you is all about you. But I am here to speak justice. And I'm here to tell you, trashy head, dry head, wig, go and buy a nice wig and put on your head. And start buy them £50 or $20 wig.
50
because
pound?
in no time it dry
50
out and look
pound?
so dry and dull.
Where you gone?
You
Must
understand?
have two England
And
you
you
there.
talk.
$20 and $25.
Leave blank
Round
all
a
the
China shop. You know what people
Move
book around there?
forward. You don't say you're behind. You don't say you're behind. You're gears.
I told the people them say every time them book around there, it kinda hard for them take out them phone for video her. Yes man, people them say them book around a little China shop. Most of the time she go in there go buy the cheap ear them. And then to her daughter do ear as she said, she make her daughter kinda twist the style of the ear. So when you see it, it not really look like what you'd have seen at the Chinese shop. Yeah man.
You are gazing. You're talking about Lorraine cake. Lorraine a bake. And you talk about a long time Lorraine bad minded for your cake. Why would Lorraine bad minded for your cake? Are you alone can sell cake in a New York? Are you alone supposed Lorraine want to go sell her
She
cake? What's
alone
your
should have
business?
done that.
I tell you, say you walk and watch people. But
But what she put in place for she alone can sell cake in a New York. Nothing at all.
You left in the back seat. Instead of you baking your gears and watch people pot. But them a go cook. Go try go cook your pot. Everybody come and pass you. Even Lorena come past you as well.
And that now go look good. If Lorraine pass her,
I mean,
now
I
go
think
look
say
good.
Lorraine bad mind you either. But I always see Lorraine say go buy Tina cake and all of them something there. And if even
Yeah,
Lorraine
so
not
pull out
bake, you
today
now
or
go say go
tomorrow
buy
for
Lorraine
come
cake.
Wednesday.
You not do it. Because you want all for yourself. What's your problem? Eh? What's your problem? Hmm? You see the
Why Sophie views turn up on this video, you know people. Yeah man. 1 pint add K in a 1 day Sophie views turn up.
down there? You call people name, cake, all kind of name. And when people call back for your cake
But
name,
you are the
you
same
have a
thing.
problem.
You call people all
You
kind
have
of
a
name.
problem. No, you know you have a problem. But you call people cake name. But if
Just
me
like
have
how
a
you
business,
call you
and
man
me a
all
call
kind
them
of name.
name out
Nothing
of
wrong
them
with that.
business
Move.
and they call me back. You're not supposed to have a problem with that.
Pick a beam out of your eye too man. You call the man a England all kind of name. You call Dana all kind of name. So you and her no better. Two are the same thing. It's just that you are blamer of calling the people them cake all kind of different name. But just as how you call the humans them all different type of name and animal name and put all kind of thing on them name. Not different. The two are the same thing. It's just that it's like two farmer, two are a farmer. But one a plant peas and one a plant apple. But one a farmer.
With that. Because we started. You fi call people cake all kind of name. And when they start back on you, you're crying victim. No, you know work so. Take responsibility. You is that type of person don't take responsibility. And I notice you when you go on people's social media and them do a live and they talk about something about you. You're ready for cuss them and talk about I'm going to block your ass. And you block everybody. Go away. Take responsibility. The reason why you walk around and block people because of the truth. Why you block people? You talk say you block me. I don't care. Me I talk the truth and I will speak it forever. You're too self-centered.
We could have cause all of this? We could have cause all of this? Watch them. Watch them. Watch them. Watch them. Akuda we kuda ka. Watch them. Watch them. Watch them, ding dong.
And face you is above everybody on social media. You're not above nobody. You're not above nobody. I don't know category. I don't know what category I must put it in right now. That's how me see it on social media. You understand? Everybody come past you. At least make people go support people, but you don't do that. You ever do that? Never. Plankabass give a...
Listen, props now, Plankabass, I get props to suit her needs for about Tina. But few days from before now, she a robot Plankabass. Watch them. Watch them. Watch them. Watch them. Watch them. Honor everybody on your reel. Watch them. Watch them. Honor everybody on your radio. Watch them.
Give a lot of people platform out here and people support it. Baker boy do the same. It's only you. Use a whole back. Anybody there around you will be stagnant. Anybody there around you will stagnant. They now move up the ladder. For you now go make them want to pass you. You understand? So you rather if you have them underneath your feet. You understand? At time if you get up man, you have to much a fake page and write up all kind of things. Other day you think me to see what you write and I need one comment and all I laugh. And about my page gone. You think me to see that comment there? Me Photoshop it, you know. Me Photoshop it. I mean I'm gonna be not nice to you. But you're not nice, you're not a nice person. And you're going like you're nice and you're all of that.
But what me I say still, and I serious most people. When somebody like us, Sophia page get taken down, I am not saying who she suspect or who she accuse is not the person. But you know, say, Sophia coming like, you know, when you have in a life, you have some troublemaker in a community. Where, when I say troublemaker, I mean real troublemaker. He a petty thief. He may broke a man kitchen for little food. He may broke a man kitchen for thief little buckle. He may do every little thing petty. Go out, they're gonna make unnecessary trouble with people. Phone take all kind of things. Real petty. And when a man like that get corn or grow in his skin, and that nice little van they have to come for him down a town, which is the I would say the dearest, not even not sudden dear so. That little van there when it come for you from downtown, are the dearest you pay if you go downtown. I remember you have vehicle, we carry you downtown for $150, but when that van they come for it, very expensive. It's hard for you point a finger if you not see who do it. If you not see who give him the plant, the condom, it's hard for you point a finger. Reason being, that person makes so much problem. It's hard for you point a finger. And it's like you know, Sophie, you have give yourself so much problem in social media. With all kind of people, different people where they will trouble you. You just come out and feel like, oh, that person there, if you just come out, come rant against a person. That person, if you just come out, come rant against a person. You know? This is you in social media. So, if you get taken down, you not supposed to point no finger upon no individual. Or who do it because you don't know who do it. Why do you mean you point finger upon the next woman? Now you see it, you're gonna say, a tea girl. And this is the thing, you don't know who do it because you have mail and rant against so many people on social media.
They say the true color are you. All me do, me never say nothing bad about you. I never say one thing. All me say speak justice. You come on your platform and you do your charity and me say that's a good thing. You want your people page because of you. You never come and say thank you.
Wow.
Nothing at all. The next day you come out with your outer orderness and
So you're a follower, man, you're not a leader.
you come out. Nobody not going to know this and nobody. Once you come out public,
All this happened because you're a follower.
You have all right to come and say, guys, this is what I get. But you're a thief. You're a damn thief. Can't talk to me. You understand? You go on a different pages and make pages to discriminate people, but that catch you out. You go on people platform and I write and I laugh. The page gone. You are one of them that report my page.
She enjoyed.
You did see people fall and feel pot a spoil. You understand? Feel pot a spoil. You know why you now reach further in a life in that gym. The two ends. You know why you now reach far in a life in that gym. He's not a nice person, individual. You say he's a nice person, but you have a bad heart. You have a bad heart. And you need God to clean it and cleanse it.
Me ask you again, when did you see that? Haven't you seen that before you get entangled in an entanglement? Didn't you see that before? Yes, you did. But you just figure more or less, say, okay, this is the side I want to join. You know? Because jealousy is one hell of a thing and grudgeful, you know. But they've not got the B word. You understand? Because you have to start grudgeful and jealous of a people if you reach the B word. And when you come in a phone and see this woman a yard, I do what she a do. When you just catch you jealous of what she a do. And want to do it. There's a lot of times when you come out on a platform and when you say it, you know. When you might not say it directly. But sensible people when you talk, we know say are really jealous and jealous of the woman. For instance, you have some come out, on a certain platform when them come out here and sell anything. Quick, it just sell off. Yes, the certain platform will not talk. I don't find a support base or support her. She have her own support base. So that statement that you don't make shouldn't make. But what? The support base what you think you have, because of the numbers you have on the page, they are just followers. They are not supporters. Enough time when you expose yourself again when you come out. Come like only one somebody can beg. If she beg 1,000 US, she get all 5,000. That's exposing her jealousy again. Because you come out on the page, you know, look even $200-300, and it take you hours to get it and you still not reach it, you get $2.99. You understand? You know, I beg $300 get $2.99 for 5 hours. While she would, by the time she say, you know, say, tomorrow me I go look say me can get $300 for game. Before she could have said tomorrow. The 300 pop up in a some cash up or Zelle. Or somebody call where would have say, alright, just give it me time I send it back come give you. When you see them something down jealous, and that jealousy they lead to grudgeful. And then now, when things really now go up my phone and turn phone, the grudge now turn into the B word. The B mind. So it lead from jealousy, then jealousy lead to grudgeful, and then grudgeful lead to the B word.
Ask God to come in your life and restore it. And never see you come on your platform and shout out, follow this person, guys, this person a new blogger, new this, and never see that. At least Dana do it. Dana do it. Chris do it.
So in your eyes, these people have done so many good. So what make you have this corrupt mind against them? Is it because you are not a leader and you're a follower? Because you praise these people for so much good, but it still come tomorrow, you rant against them. I prove that because he's a follower, he's not a leader. Because you see the good what me I do. And I have done so much. And none of we not perfect. And if me go around the road, they say about me too. And me say something what me not supposed to say. You're going to use that one thing and put me down after you see me do so much good what you talk about. And this is you. And it all because he is a follower. So despite you separate from these people, in the back of your head are the same way you think how them did a lead you. Yes man, the same way. There is no change.
But you not do it. And you have everything to say. You have a say at everything. You have a say at everything. You need to stop it. You understand? And me and you will never be friends. Me and you never friend. Me and you never friend. Me always support you and follow you. You understand? You're going to make one real. Oh, you could invite some people and this and invite. Nobody know why you
I know everybody where you see
insect.
real. I know everybody come around you and your friend. Watch them.
You just come to kill and to destroy. That's what people have. That's the type of person you are. You're too red-eyed. You see planka be a cake.
I know everybody where you rate you. Watch them.
You can't be
Watch.
I mean, so you can't be Go to a school
You serious?
and learn to bake. And learn to decorate your cake properly.
Tell me our cake taste.
Nothing wrong with it. You live in America. Go on bakery. I go work in one bakery.
Go learn for bake, Tina. Go learn for bake.
You can self-taught yourself, but you don't know a lot. You can sit down here and see things on this, but you don't know. I do here. I know what product to use and what not to use. It's the same thing. What this you put in at this, what this, that.
Are you a self-taught hairdresser? Or you go and learn? Because you sent someone if you go learn it out. So, are you a self-taught hairdresser? Or you learn it professionally? I don't know. I'm just asking.
That. You're going like you're too clever for your own good. That's the problem with you. You're too out of order. You're too out of order. But learn to bake. And love people.
I can't the big baker you talk about. I can't the big baker you talk about. You're out of order. You're rude.
Yeah, me I beg for money. Me, guys, my cash up is consigned. Sophie. I don't get paid from YouTube. I don't get paid from Facebook. My Facebook page is gone. They report it. It demonetized. And I'm not if me beg. Me not beg for nobody. If they come on social media, I beg for myself. Me not beg in the name of this. And then when me beg it and get it, I don't give it.
You fly going to Panama. You fly going to St. Lucia.
Me. And nobody can stop me from coming here and picking my cash up. You understand? Me not thief nobody money. Everybody choose to give to me, give to pretty Sophie. You understand? I'm giving a show. They must can give me back something in return. At least they can cash up me at least £1. Start for £1. One conquer full basket. Nothing wrong with it. You understand? Some people come on social media and beg 24/7. 365 days of the year they come and beg. Yet them getting stars, they getting all of this social media money, but yet they still beg. And I'm gonna get another social media money again because my page I have this YouTube but I never go on it or anything like that. I just started going on my YouTube 3 weeks ago. And
Sophia, I don't know the right answer, but this we call double standard. You know? And it all goes back to what I say. When somebody do something and, you know, when you see look success or look reaping and going from what them do, when you jealous of what them do. I want to come out, I want to rant against what the people them do. You understand? It's only one person I see in a social media where me never like the way how them do it. Them come out here and make it look like them supporters, them audience obligated to pay them bills, pay them partner every week. You know? And before them even start them show, it's like them put up rope or them hold them audience ransom. If you not send $300 cash up for me to my partner, me not start the live. Me not talk nothing. No, come on, me never like that. Despite that's how you do your thing and your audience, but it was on a day-to-day, week-to-week business where your whole audience ransom. Come on. Make the people them feel free if you send you something when them want to send it. You cash up your Zelle, you make it available. You understand? And if them have to send it to a remittance, you have to say, boy, link me. But you know, come out here, come hold nobody ransom for show your partner every week. And at the end of the day, when your partner, you get your draw. It's not like you keep a supporter's gall where everybody can come and inherit something or you send back something or give somebody. You understand? That was the only person where me never liked how she deal with the thing. You understand? And she have gained so much from it. But a man come on the music platform and him want beg. I feel this is that. People reach out to me if you put up a cash up or something. And it's few people reach out to me. Even probably most of the people that say put up this, put up that, probably never ever put a dollar in the cash up. I mean, I come out and come around and talk about me. I like me to try if it put nobody or whatsoever. I just come out here and remind them, say it is there. And remind them what the purpose, why me decide to put it up. You know, where you give me take the gift and me give back to somebody who is in need. Why can't I get something and give to somebody who need it and refuse it? And at the same time, probably me have to go soul hearted in my pocket and do it when it might still not enough, when I could have get that liquor there where I come from this and put it together and pull and help one or two or three person. You understand? Which I also say, you know, I might take a fraction based on way forward and where the adventure part of my channel is concerned, buy my little equipment them and put on when I go want for use my little outdoor cooking them on the riverside and stuff when you see them one come. And not much people reach out in the cash app. Not much. Bless up on yourself, the ones who know to reach out. You know? And if I say, boy, me I gotta add up what me have gained through the cash app. God bless. Honestly. But me give thanks. Me not give nobody nothing for put on. But what I'm saying, they were the same one who asked me to put up something. A few people reach out through remittance, same way. And it's still just a handful of people. I mean, I come out, I come go and let me, I want nobody ransom for them things. No, sir. You're mad. Mad. You're free to send it if you want to send it. And when month end come and me I give back, you will see when me give back. And you know, say, you're a little big class, little muckler, suckle where you send, come play a part in that. With the little when me put pan it, and that person they send this, and that person they send. But it's not like me have a big fan base where I send money come a month time, because I want him to tell them, me not run no charity. I just giving back to the needy because I know where me I come from. Me know what hungry is like. Enough of them in a phone pretend like them don't know what hungry is like. And when you try to help somebody who hungry, them try to tear you down. Anyways, speak my mind people, thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. Wanna know what to do? Like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channels. Remember, Life is a Mission TV, my backup channel, go and subscribe. And in the comment section, you have Life with Gabby and Chevy, Tamika Douglas TV. The two of them, the link is in the comment section, pin, and the cash up down the pin, when we just talk about $ Life is a Mission TV. Whatever you send, me accept it. Me not gonna be like caca eye. Where you send one $10, me I tell you about $10, take back that $20, take back that 25. You send where you send every me come make a muckle. If me can have 20 somebody I send $10. When it a touch a month 10 time, it's $200 that. And if me can take another 100 or 150 from my liquor me get from YouTube and put on that, it can go a far away or a 50 based on how me get. Because remember, me is not a big platform. You understand? And as I always say, the best way that we go, you might not can afford to take up $500 and help somebody. But if you find $10 or $5 or $20, you can put it. And the sum of 10, 20, somebody put a 10 or a 5 or a 20, it will reach and probably surpass. And the person will get assistance. So we not tell us if you come out of your pocket solely and get the 500. Because you might not have it. It's just that you might in a better position than the person who really need the money there. You understand? So you contribute where you can contribute. Bless up on yourself. I'm out.